Being a fish can be fun, but usually not so well. Let me tell you, when you are a fish, everything tries to eat you. It's hard because you are in all these food chains and crazy food webs. Oh, hi birds, what do you want to know today? Well, we want to learn about the ocean, says seagulls. What is your name? We forgot, again. My name is Slenderbender, and I'm the smartest fish this Atlantic Ocean has ever seen. Oh, that's right, says seagulls. Then let's start. First, let's make the differences between you guys and I. Okay, that should be easy. So, when you are a bird, you fly and you live in nests that you build in trees or bushes. You can't live beneath the water because you need to breathe the oxygen. And what is important is that you are not an amphibian. Well, an amphibian is a cold-blooded animal that can live underwater. And a fish like me can only live in water. We can't breathe in oxygen that makes the birds live. Then how do you come up to the surface with your head sticking out? Well, you see, I have gills. The gills help me breathe unless my body is not in water. Oh, I get it now. Oh my God, I can't read. So, are we ready to start? Let's go. You need to know the 11 things about the ocean floor. Let's start, shall we? The continental shelf is first. This is where it starts. The continental shelf is where people play. It is the shallowest part of the ocean. It is made up of thick layers of sediment, which is sand, mud, and rocks. Next is the continental slope. It begins at the edge of the continental shelf, and it goes down to the floor of the ocean. The depth of the slope is over 2 miles. It also is covered with thick layers of sand, mud, and rocks. After the continental slope is the continental rise. The continental rise is a gently sloping area that connects to the steep walls of the continental slope. The continental rise is also covered with thick layers of sand, mud, and rocks. Next up is the abyssal plain. The abyssal plain is the flat land of the ocean floor. The abyssal plain is covered with sand, mud, and plant and animal remains. Located on the flat plain are underwater mountains called seamounts. The seamounts are formed by erupting volcanoes. Now comes ocean trenches. Ocean trenches are very deep and similar to canyons on land. The deepest ocean trench is located in the Pacific Ocean. It is called the Marianas Trench. There is a mid-ocean range after trenches. Mid-ocean ranges are mountains underwater. They are like mountains on land. Last is an island. The island is formed when 2 plates clash together, which is called tectonic plates, or it will be a volcanic island. Now comes the 3 ocean zones. They are very important if you want to live. The first zone is called the sunlit zone. The sunlit zone is the shallowest zone. It has a lot of sunlight, little pressure, and has warm temperatures. Let me tell you, the most important thing you should know about the sunlit zone. 90% of all ocean life is found here in the sunlit zone. Next is the twilight zone. When you travel down deeper into the ocean, the light will start to darken. There is greater pressure and water temperature is colder. Makes me shiver. Last but not least is the midnight zone. In the midnight zone, there is no life at all, and there's no light. It's completely dark, and the temperatures are near freezing. There is tremendous pressure and virtually no life at all. Those are all the 11 things that you need to know. Wow, that's a lot. So everything under the ocean is what's like on land. You are so right. Thanks for listening.